Thyme tea. Yes, THYME. Thyme tea. The benefits of drinking thyme tea. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Bucky Mar. A big shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you so much. And if you're seeing this channel for the first time, welcome. This video is about the benefits of drinking thyme tea. Yes. So let's get into the video. Thyme is a fragrant herb with small leaves and is part of the mint family. It can be used fresh, dried, or made into an essential oil. Thyme has much more value than just merely an herb, which gives flavor to our meals. It is used in cooking and for medicinal purposes. Did you know that thyme is a rich source of vitamin A, C, potassium, iron, magnesium, and other nutrients? Thyme has antibacterial, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties. Thyme stimulates sleep and relaxation. It's a good stress reliever and gives energy, boosts immune system, and rid the body of excess mucus. It's a natural remedy for cough, cold, and flu symptoms. A cup of thyme tea does wonders in your entire body. Remember now, I am not a medical doctor. So remember to always get advice from your doctor before taking any herbal remedies. Others and myself have been drinking thyme tea and we have seen the results, especially of getting rid of cough, cold and flu, and boost energy. I trust that you'll enjoy the rest of the video. Thyme tea. It is so refreshing. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And go ahead and make your thyme tea. It is very beneficial to your body, loaded with vitamins and other minerals. Help to get rid of cough, cold, and flu out of your system. Go ahead and try it. Remember, the word of God says that the herb is for the healing of the land. So let us drink the herb, eat the herb, and have a healthy mind and body. And I wish you a healthy 2025. Remember, I'm not a doctor, so please consult your doctor before taking any herbal remedy. I have tried it on others and we have seen the results.